14 for 1 after 3. Kerala strikers, they will have to make plenty of big shots, and they'll have to use this first 6 overs to maximum effect. He's been out there in the field for 20 overs and was watching the show. But credit to him, he's stayed out there on the field, marshalled his troops. Took great man. And this time it is down the leg side, and it will fetch him for.
He's a very capable player, Rajiv Pillai. He just waits for the loose delivery, it comes his way. This one, he just helps it on the way. That is why he's played such an instrumental role in Kerala strikers' campaign this season. They have won 2 games, and both the matches he's had a very impactful performance. Down the leg side, wide call by the umpire. The difference was the power play overs, the way Bulldozers batted in the first innings. They got some healthy runs in the first 6 overs. In there, straight to the fielder, he'll get a run.
Left hand, right hand combination in action for Kerala strikers. They have been effective so far in this season. Tries to hit it too hard, and he's gone upstairs. He's gone upstairs. He's running back. What's happening? The umpire has gone upstairs. The batsman is halfway down the pavilion.
He's not even in the picture here, Paulie. That is why he was running back to the pavilion. The umpire still had to go upstairs. There's no need for that. Good work there by the fielder. I think it's Rajiv once again. What a throw. Extremely accurate. He's not even there at all. And the umpire went upstairs to the third umpire for a referral. Has to be out. There's no doubt about that one. Yes, it is. So it's Nivin Paulie. He'll have to go back. It's 20 for 2. He's gone for 2.
A wide call. Plenty of extra has been given here.
The strikers, they're struggling here. They're 2 down for 21.
Come on, get him now!
They're so far away from even getting close to the target put up by Karnataka Bulldozers. What can they do from here? It is Rajiv Pillai who will have to do something here. He needs to play the big shot, at least try. Oh, very wide. Sudeep, the wicketkeeper, even he cannot stop that one. It's moving, the white kookaburra ball. And that's a big issue here. Most of the bowlers with the new ball have found it difficult to control it.
Short and wide here. Really have to be careful about these extras. Already conceded 8. All 8 have come in wides.
It's just not happening here for the strikers. The required rate is 13.71, and the run rate they have maintained now is 6.55, a huge difference. Much better delivery from Dhruv, came in sharply, much better line, it did move in the air. So Bala is here because this is what happened. It is Paulie who called for the run and he couldn't make it on time. It is Rajiv, good pick up and a brilliant throw, bang, which meant the downfall for Paulie. Again it is Rajiv, again he hits direct. They've gone upstairs, but I think this time Rajiv should be in.